Okay, so this is the last video on the Heart of Algebra series. This is the set of hard questions for this topic. Determine the equation of a linear function that goes through the point this and has a slope of 2. So the answer could either be A or B. Why? Because they both need to have a slope of 2. I could do a bit of trial and error on A and B, or I could just, find out the y-intercept. That's my call. So 2 times 4 plus 1, does that give me 3? No, that doesn't. So A can't be the right option. 2 times 4 minus 5. Does that give me 3? Yes, that gives me 3. So that is the correct answer option then. Okay, so I'm going to go with 2x minus 5. Okay, let's look at the next one. It says the function f of x is defined by the equation f of x equals to 3x squared minus 12x plus 7. Which of the following is the equation of the parabola that represents? Okay, again, as I did in the previous question, what I could do is I could end up doing a comparison, or I could plug each of these on a calculator and see what my turning point comes out to be. Since my calculator can do that, 2 comma minus 5. Okay, so which of these is offering me 2 comma minus 5? That's answer option B. That should be the correct answer. That is. Let's move on to the next one. The equation of a line passing through the points can be written in the following form. I think all of these have the slope 2, so that's confirmed. What I should do ideally is then to start just to find out C. Okay, I can take any point. So C comes out as minus 1. That's the quickest way to solve this question. What is the parabola's equation if its vertex is located at 1, comma 0? Vertex, okay, turning point, and it passes through the point 2, comma 3. So let's first decide which of these have a vertex at 1, comma 0. So I'm just going to plug in my answer options into my calculator and see which one gives me a vertex at 1 comma 0. The first one doesn't, so I go back, I clear y0 and there 1 and 0. Okay, so the second one is giving me. Let's see if this fits onto this point as well. I'm plugging in this point to see if it balances. 12 minus 12 plus 3. So 3 equals to 3. That balances. So that should be the correct answer. Okay, determine which statement is accurate regarding the roots of the equation f of x equals to 0. So I see that this equation should have two roots, x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 3. One root is positive and the other is negative. Think there'll be more hard questions? Yes. Okay. For which value of x is f of x equals to 0? So that's simply about solving. So I think the answer should be 3 and 1. I can do this mentally sort of. Determine which point lies on the line with equation this. So I'll have to do a trial and error on the points, but I see that this is the y-intercept of the line, so I can do a direct answer as well. Okay, which of the following could be the equation of the graph? Okay, one thing that I see is that this graph has no roots. Okay, this graph has no roots. It has a turning point at 0, comma 2. So which of these has a turning point at 0, comma 2? This has a turning point at 0, comma 2. This one has a 0, comma minus 2. Basically, this can be written as x plus 0 whole square plus 2. If you're unsure, what you can simply do is you can start taking numbers and you can see if you plug in 1, you should be getting about 3. So which one gives you 3? This is the only answer that gives you 3. So if you plug in 1, let's say, you get 3 out of. So you can also do a bit of trial and error and do this question. So y equals to 2x plus c. Let's find out c, and that should solve our problem. So c is minus 5, so that should be the correct answer. Which of the following is an equivalent equation? I think we just did this question. Similar something. Let's verify if we can find the turning point. 2 comma minus 5. So that was this. Okay, let's see if that ends the level. That is it for Heart of Algebra. We will be back with more videos in the next part, which is called, let me tell you what that's called. It's called Passport to Advanced Math, and I will take you to quadratic or exponential functions at the start. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more videos.